In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets templates so you can speed up your workflow and avoid starting from scratch every time. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the template gallery. Click on Template Gallery to expand it. This will show you a collection of ready-made templates organized into categories like budgets, calendars, project trackers, and more. Next, browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your needs. For example, you might select a monthly budget, schedule, or task tracker. Click on the template you want to use. Google Sheets will automatically create a new copy of that template in your account so you can start editing it right away. Now take a moment to explore the template. You'll notice that it already includes formatting, formulas, and sections designed for a specific purpose. Replace the sample data with your own information. You can also customize anything you like, such as adding new columns, changing colors, or adjusting formulas. If you ever make a mistake or want a fresh start, simply go back to the template gallery and open a new copy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Sheets templates to work faster and stay organized without building everything from scratch.